So I figured I'd make a video showing the new stuff I'm doing with this tool thing. So one new thing is the save state thing. You can now have multiple save states at a time. So make one here, and then use the D-pad to switch which state you're using. So this is now state 3. Do save something. Right trigger to load. Go back and load 3. Whoa, something weird was happening. What's next? The lives thing still gives you 99 lives, of course. For the race tool, it's no longer just like 1-to-1 and like one of the people hosting a server is just going to be a server hosted somewhere. You just type in a room, connect to room, and then here, let me do the same thing on my laptop. What the heck? Test? Okay. Let's go to Gracie Gadget. Yay. It's no longer just one to one or like 2 people total. You can have, I don't know, it crashed at like 10 or 20 or something. Just as many as your computer can take, I guess. Should just work to just leave and go to another stage. Next is the ghost tool, so you can create a pack. I don't know, some pack. Oh, that's not an allowed name. Some underscore pack. There we go. And let's go beat a level. What level can I beat? Oh. One sec. Need to set it to save to the pack so it actually saves it. And I didn't even turn it on. I'm bad at using my own thing. Click that button. There we go. Okay, well, I'm garbage at this game, so just ignore that. Complete Sonic. There we go. Now we got a ghost saved here on this pack. Now we'll do it again and our ghost will be there. We can erase it. So if you beat your ghost, it'll save it to the pack. So it just saves it if you beat it. I'm not actually gonna play through it again. Screw that. So another mode for the ghost mode or whatever is racing against your last attempt. Just race against your last attempt. Exactly what it sounds like. So just do some random shit here. Restart. Hopefully that other Sonic does some random shit there. Nice. This works in Tails levels as well, and Shadow and Eggman. That's all this ghost mode stuff. But there's issues with Knuckles and Rouge, or Rogue, whatever her name is. Go do Wild Canyon. I'm probably gonna forget where like half these are. Wait, what the? Is it not moving around right here? Wait. Nice, we found it. Swirling. What? It's there. Or it's over here. So I'm not able to make a clone of Knuckles. So I use a item block kind of thing. You'll see. Where is it? There. So it's got some issues on Knuckles and Rouge stages. Another mode is this replay mode, so you choose whatever your race against pack, and it will do the replay from that pack instead of like actually racing against it, and that does work on Knuckles stages and everyone else's stages. So I'm not touching the controller right now. It doesn't load the same air molds or anything, so Knuckles is just gonna look like an idiot. So I went and recorded a Pyramid Cave. I'll go play the ghost for that. So I'm not pressing anything, it's just all from the replay data. It missed that switch, I think, but it should just clip through the wall anyway. Yeah. Tails levels don't really work too well with the replays because, let's see if I have one recorded actually. I don't think this has it, but it's because like boxes and stuff don't get saved, so you'll just like be clipping through walls and gates and stuff like that. What's next? this speedrun mode, as I call it. What it does is every time you go to when you turn it on, and whenever you go to the menu to delete a file, it resets some pack called Current Attempt, I believe it's called. Yeah. And no matter what you have selected here, when speedrun mode is on, it will save the levels to Current Attempt, and then when you click Save Last Run, it will save the pack Current Attempt to something else. So that can just be used so you can race against other packs that you have and still like save that pack. Or you can save to multiple packs. So I can have a pack called like Hero Story. So Sum of Best. And then I can race and save to my Sum of Best, which would mean if I'm doing attempts and I'm doing this, anytime I have a better time in a level, it will update the ghost for that pack. So the pack will essentially end up being your Sum of Best, and you could race against your Sum of Best. But then I could click Save Last Run, and it would just have like the last run that you just did, the ghosts from that. Another change in this when speedrun mode is turned on is when you like die and restart a level, it will it'll like keep the data from before you reset. So like I'm trying to think of a level where you might die at the beginning. If you're doing like FR and you go and you fail the rail jump right at the beginning of the level and die and then start it again, the ghost data will have that first like 10 seconds like saved from before your death. And it also works when you're at checkpoints and you die back to a checkpoint, or when you like pause and hit restart, it saves all that. So it's the sum of essentially just all the time you spent in the level. And another thing when speedrun mode is active is every time you beat a level, it will compare it to the time it took your ghost to beat that level, and then offset the ghost in the next level by that much. So if I do City Escape like 5 seconds faster than the race against pack did it, the next level will have your ghost delayed by 5 seconds, just to show like how you like to race against the pack. Essentially, it'll offset it to work for that. What else? Oh, this pack manager thing, so you can make an account or log in, and then upload and download packs. So what pack do I have? Let's upload this Sum pack thing. Right now it only gives you feedback in the console. So like it says uploaded level 10, uploaded level 16, uploaded level 28, done uploading. Then I can close this. It doesn't refresh until you open it again. Something I should probably fix. Log in, and then this pack, you copy it from there. This is just a list of all the packs that have been uploaded. Copy the pack name, paste it here, download. Again, the feedback's just in the console. So finish downloading the pack, and there it is. I can race against that pack. So I can race against my Pyramid Cave. And then, last but not least, some tool I call the Rewinder. So I'll go into Crazy Gadget, I guess. Then using the D-pad, I can go back and forth through like the actions I took And I can use the triggers to change how big of increments I'm skipping forward and backward. So the score shows that this is 1 frame right now that it's going forward and backward. Change it up to 10 frames that it's jumping. Then you press up on the D-pad and it resumes from there. Wow, something bad happened. What the heck was that? I actually have no idea what just happened there. Normally, this has been working pretty well for me. And it saves your time, like, that you go back to. So if I go back to the beginning, it would be at 0. This is probably like 5 or something, 6. It saves the gravity. Oh, and yeah, it's drawing like five increments of 5 frames in front of you and behind you. So there's like a total of 10 ghosts drawn at a time, or whatever you want to call them. Rip my video card.